Morning guys, so today I'm heading to one of the most popular parks here in Montreal, Mont Royal. It's kind of stupid of me to think that going up Mont Royal there won't be so much of an incline. But here we are. What makes it worse as well, this path isn't exactly de-iced well enough, and every now and again I'm going for a bit of a slip and slide. I'm not gonna lie, all these steps does kind of make it a bit of a tough climb, especially some of the steps are quite slippery, but you know what, the view is just getting better and better with every step. Doing something a little bit different. I have a tube with me here. I'm going to go do some snow tubing. I actually feel like a child. I am so excited. It just looks so much fun. Has to be one of the most funnest things I've ever done. That was amazing. And say what you want, saying it's for kids, doesn't matter, we're all just bigger versions of kids. I absolutely loved it. Heading back now to the hostel. Had an absolutely lovely day. It's so beautiful here and there's so many winter activities as well. It's just perfect. So I really hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure to leave us a like, comment and also hit subscribe as well. You can also check me out on social media, Facebook, Instagram and Twitter. All the links are down below in the description. I'm really hoping that you're liking the new videos. I am using a new editing software, Adobe Premiere Pro. I'm still trying to work out the kinks a bit, but please bear with me and hopefully the video quality will improve immensely. So thanks for watching and I'll see you for the next video. Bye.